Hi all, welcome back. Today we'll be making fresh Daifuku Mochi. For today we'll be needing Shiratamako flour, red bean paste, and caster sugar. Next, we can get rolling our red bean paste into 10-gram balls. They can be left in the fridge to stay firm. Now we can add 125 grams of Shiratamako flour, 94 grams of caster sugar, and 216 milliliters of water. Make sure to give that a good mix. Now, we can put that in a heat-proof bowl, cover, and get it ready to steam. Every 5 minutes, make sure to stir it while it's thickening. You'll know it's ready when it's firm and glossy. Then, once it's ready, we can carefully take it out onto a corn flour coated worktop. To get rid of some of that stickiness, I covered it in corn flour. I then rolled it roughly into a sausage shape. From there, I started pinching out into little balls and setting it aside. Now, to fill the mochi, I patted them out flat, then added my ball of red bean paste. To encase your red bean paste, pinch 2 sides together and then pinch the other 2 sides together and give a gentle squeeze and then roll it with your hand. Then you can repeat this for the rest of your mochi. Now you should have all your Daifuku mochi ready. I'm also going to make a few Kinako mochi as well. This uses roasted soybean flour. So this time we can roll them without adding the red bean paste and then just add them straight to the Kinako flour. And now we have Kinako mochi as well. And here are our finished mochi. Thanks so much for watching, like and subscribe for more videos.